way. Hi guys, I am Digdarshini. So let me introduce myself to you guys first if you don't know me, because this is my first video. I am an engineer turned a fashion designer turned an artist and a full-time fashion and travel blogger. Yeah. Okay, so I definitely own a website of my own called wonderripples.com, and you don't want to miss that out, right? So I will link that in my description box below, because I write some amazing fashion and travel content. Yeah, designation थोड़ा कम पड़ गया था, तो मैंने सोचा why not I start a YouTube channel of my own. Also, many of you guys requested me on Instagram to start a YouTube channel, so here I am. So I don't know since when I wanted to start a YouTube channel, since I saw Larissa, Sejal and Komal doing some amazing stuff out there on YouTube, so that triggered me on actually, and here I am sitting and talking some shit in front of you guys. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to upload this on YouTube or not, but if you are watching then मैंने upload कर दिया है. Cheers, you know, because I wanted to start since the longest time and I couldn't due to some reasons or the other, so I'm finally here. If you're watching then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far. Please let some encouragement flow guys, as this is my first video. I need your support. So as you can see, I am a little bit nervous and fumbling. So let's just dive into the video. That is Sarojini Nagar haul. Yay! The most requested haul on my Instagram. And by the way, did I ask you to follow me on Instagram? If no, then please go and follow me on Instagram. Some amazing crazy feed is going on. So let's just get started to the video and see what I've all got from Delhi Sarojini Nagar market. Shit. So I went to Delhi a couple of weeks ago exclusively for shopping. I know I'm little guilty guys, because I've spent so much on these clothes. Really excited because these are clothes and I'm crazy for clothes. Okay, so the first item is this camisole top. It's pure white but it is little bit transparent. It has some prints going on and it is so summer appropriate guys. You can wear it as like this, and if you're not comfortable wearing like this, then you can pair it a shrug over it or a blazer over it. It will look equally smart and classy. So yeah, it was for 150 rupees. Guys, I have remembered the prices just for you, so I will mention it like ऐसे ही बोलते बोलते. So yeah, bear with me. So this was my first buy. So the second thing I got is this camisole top. How gorgeous is this guys? Look at it. This piece is so gorgeous. It has some ombre effect going on from golden to silver to copper. I'm in love with this piece. I got it for 200 rupees. ये मैंने पटरी से उठाया था. And it is so helpful for those days when you have party thing going on and you don't want to dress up too much and get sweaty, so you can just put right over your body and you are good to go. If you're not comfortable wearing this piece only on your body, so you can layer it with a top inside it, and yeah, so this was my next buy and I'm totally happy with it. So my next buy is a white floral dress. Look at this guys, how gorgeous is this? It has some lace detailing at the neck, some bell sleeves, some slit over here, which makes it a perfect dress for spring as well as summers. Dresses like these are a savior, you know, because when you don't want to dress up but you have this simple dress handy, you are good to go. And I've seen these type of dresses in Forever 21 as well as stockbylove.com, but they cost around 2000 or more. But I got it from Modini, the shop in Sarojini itself, and I got it for 1400 rupees, which I think it's a great steal for this dress, and I can't wait to wear it. So my next buy is from the shop Big C in Sarojini itself. Is this cute little bustier top. Look at this, how cute is this? And it's yellow, and if you don't know, my favorite color is yellow because yellow just steals my attention and it brightens me up. But you know what, my mom hates this top because she thinks that it is too revealing for me and I can't wear it. She says that वो यहाँ पे एक strap लगा लेगी so that it stays here. But let me tell you guys that it does not fall off. It stays very well, so I had to get this top. I have seen these tops everywhere on social media. I've seen this in Shein, stockbylove.com and Forever 21 too, so I had to get one for me, and I have posted few pictures on Instagram wearing this and those are on fire. So the next thing that I regret buying it is these pair of beautiful ash grey jeans. You know, these jeans are so beautiful but I don't fit in. why God, why me? ठीक है, अगर नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, but let me just describe this piece because I love this piece to bits. And this is a ash grey high waist jeans. I love high waist jeans. Just have a look at these fray. These are such international looking pants, but अफसोस ये मुझे आता ही नहीं है. And I was actually very excited about this to wear and flaunt them. मैं जब टेलर के पास गई तभी उसने मना कर दिया. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I think I'm going to donate someone. So I got it for 200 rupees, which I think for a jeans like this, it's such a sturdy material. So I think it's a very good deal, and you can swear by things like this from Sarojini. Yeah. So my next buy is this jumpsuit cum pinafore dress. How gorgeous is this, guys? Look at this. It has some foliage print all over going on. It has 2 straps. You can pair it with a contrasting t-shirt inside it. I got it from a shop called Modini. It's a very popular shop in Sarojini near Big C. You will find it easily if you ask someone, and you can find really trendy stuffs there, so you should definitely go in there. And I got it for 500 rupees. It has some pleated flared bottom, which I think is so cool and summer appropriate. The main thing I like it about these contrasting flowers here, because it's so summer appropriate. I'm gonna wear it too much of this, so yeah. So my next buy is the most exciting buy, because have a look at it, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the ruffles, this fishnet. It's a denim high waist ruffle skirt, and it's such a rare and unique piece. I haven't seen such a piece in a great time. Seriously, this makes my favorite skirt of the year. Yay! It's a denim, guys. Denim is a fabric that will never rip out or fade out. So it's a swear by fabric. I got it for 350 rupees from a shop. I don't remember the shop name, and it's not from the Sarojini. I got it from Champa Gali Saket in Delhi. So you should definitely go in there, because it has some really trendy stuff there too. So yeah, I had to get it, and yeah, I'm so happy with it. So my next buy is, wait, this is such a cute piece. Oh my gosh, I'm just crushing over this. Look at it, guys, look at it. यार वो मुझे cheerleader वाली feeling आ रही है इसको देख के. हम ऐसे स्कूल में पहन के आते थे ना, बट फर्क इतना था कि वो थोड़ा लंबा होता था, एंड दिस इज शॉर्ट. I love this. It's so cute, and I can't wait to pair it with crop top. I can wear it with full sleeves top and what not. I can just play with it so much. I got it from the Tapri again for 250 rupees. It was for 400 rupees. मैंने उसको बोला 100 rupees, तो फिर उसने बोला no. तो मैंने उसको कहा कि भैया मैं जा रही हूँ, तो उसने कहा कि जाओ. तो मैंने बोला मैं जा रही हूँ थोड़ी दूर से, और मैडम आपको अगर इसको लेना है 300 में तो लो, नहीं तो आप जाओ. फिर मैं थोड़ी दूर चली, मैंने बोला भैया मैं जा रही हूँ, तो फिर उसने अच्छा यार ले जाओ. So this is how I got this skirt, because I couldn't let my soul go, let it go. So मैं क्या बोल रही, I don't know. Okay, so I got it for 250 rupees. So the next buy is, oh my god, so cute, right? It has pink buttons, and look at the fray, guys. It's so cute, and it looks so rich. Also, it has some fray here, ribbed here. I just love it. It's a denim white skirt. ये मैंने देखा है like Forever 21 में, Shein में, but they are priced at like 2000 rupees, which I think मेरे बस की तो बात नहीं है. तो I thought why not get it from Delhi. I got it 350 rupees if I'm not wrong, and also it has a zip, so you can definitely get fit into it. So yeah, I'm in love with this piece, and I can't wait to wear it someday. So my next buy is from the Patri in Sarojini itself. These are this pair of classic blue ribbed jeans. These are boyfriend jeans to be precise, and you need to have one of these in your summer wardrobe list 2019, because boyfriend jeans do not stick to your legs. In summers you don't want to be sweaty and sticky, right? So you need to have one of these in your wardrobe, and I got it for 200 rupees, which I think it's a great price for a jeans like this, because 200 rupees में jeans कोई नहीं देता apart from Sarojini. I wish Sarojini was in every city. I would be the happiest and luckiest. So my next buy is this black jumpsuit. I don't know, I'm really proud of it because of some reason. It it's really sexy and classy, if I can say that. And it has a belt given here. Kahin gir gaya hai, I don't know. Look at the neckline, guys. It's so classic, and I got it from the shop called Modini itself, and it was for 1500 or 1400 rupees, which I think it's a really classic piece, and I need to get it built right now. So I got it. So the next thing I got is this jumpsuit. So look at the color, guys. First of all, my favorite color is yellow, and not just me, I guess yellow सबको ही खुश कर देता है. So I had to pick this up. This is such a cute piece. Look at this, guys. It has a flared bottom, so you can wear it ऐसे ही अगर you are comfortable. But if you are not comfortable and who lives in a city like Hyderabad, you are not allowed to wear such pieces because यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा ही revealing हो रहा है. So you can wear a top inside it or a high neck inside. It will look very well put outfit, and it will look smart, you know. The interesting fact is मैंने आज तक कभी jumpsuit और romper नहीं खरीदा है because I think I look very short in jumpsuit and rompers. So जब मैं दिल्ली गई तो मैंने सोचा इस बार मैं पक्का ही जंपसूट खरीदने वाली हूँ. So I had to buy this, and this catched my attention, you know. So the next buy is, ये उजाला क्यों लग रहा है? Okay. So the next buy is this shirt, and I can't stress enough that गर्मी में white shirt how much it is important as well as versatile. You can pair it with black trousers for your office wear, and also you can play with it by knotting it from here. And look at the sleeves, guys. It's such a pretty sleeve. You have some elastic detail going on. Also you have some pearls going on, which make this simple white shirt so gorgeous. And it has a bell sleeves going on. I got it from the graffiti lane. वहाँ पे full white कपड़े टंगे थे, full and white shirt, white dress, everything white. Actually it was very aesthetically pleasing to me. So I picked up 2 shirts. So I got this just for 150 rupees. So for 150 rupees, it's such a great buy, and I'm very proud of it. So the next and very special buy from my Sarojini haul is this bag, guys. Look at this. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, it totally fits into my feet. That is very colorful, and it has studs all over it, which makes it look very sturdy. And it is actually very sturdy. Can you hear the sound? You can use it as a sling, or you can use it as a backpack. So it was for 700 rupees, which I think it's thoda pricey from the Sarojini standard, but it's okay. It's such a good bag. I totally love this bag, and I'm gonna use it very much. So the second bag, I got it from the same shop. Look at this, guys. It's so shimmery, and it has bunny ears on the top. It's such a cute little backpack. So only you can put some really important stuffs into it. आप जाओगे ना सरोजनी तो वो ऐसे लटके रहते हैं ऊपर ही. You can just ask that person to pin that out, and you can get it built. So it was also available in another color, that is green and gold. So yeah, I had to buy it. So cute. I couldn't resist myself buying it. So I bought it finally. So that was it for my Sarojini Nagar haul. अब मैं काफी थक गई हूँ बोल के. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't go without subscribing to my channel and like this video. So it will give me some more motivation to start some amazing and new content. So see you next time. Bye guys.